Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto without basil. Gather your greens, nuts, cheese, garlic, olive oil, and salt and prep them for blending. I will walk you through flavor swaps, texture tips, and quick troubleshooting so you get vibrant, versatile pesto every time. You will learn measurements, blending order, and how to store pesto safely. Let's make a batch you'll want to put on everything. Choose your base green and nut thoughtfully to match the dish you plan to serve. I explain flavor profiles of spinach, arugula, kale, and parsley, and suggest nut and cheese pairings. You'll learn which swaps make a peppery, mild, or earthy pesto, and how small adjustments change the outcome. Follow simple ratios and taste as you go to create a customized sauce you'll love on pasta or toast. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel great whether you're cooking or hiking, and they'll outlast most pantry ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by toasting nuts briefly, then pulse garlic and nuts before adding greens to maintain bright color. Add cheese, then slowly drizzle oil while blending to reach your ideal consistency. I share tips for rescuing oily or dry pesto and how to adjust acidity or salt at the end. These simple technique tweaks make your pesto consistently vibrant and versatile for sandwiches, pasta, or dollops on roasted veg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.